If your car won't accelerate past 2000 RPM, don't touch your fuel pump and don't replace your spark plugs yet. You are looking at a classic case of limp mode, but the cause is much smaller than you think. It's called the VTEC solenoid. When this fails, your engine timing stays stuck in low speed mode and your car refuses to rev. In this video, I am breaking down the major sign of a bad VTEC solenoid or a failing VTEC solenoid. One bolt fix that will save your weekend. Let's get into it. Coming over to the hood, there are so many components that can cause this limp mode on your vehicle, and on the channel I've talked about a lot of them. So today let's see how the VTEC solenoid causes your vehicle not to rev or possibly on limp mode. So on this particular vehicle, which is Honda, its VTEC solenoid sensor is located at the right back of the engine. You can see this is it over here. Okay, so we have the VTEC solenoid over here. This is the VTEC solenoid or possibly the VTEC sensor. So the first thing you should do is to check if the wires are intact. Okay, the wires are intact. So if the wires are disconnected, you can face such a problem. You can see this one was not rightly connected. Okay, so since there is no connector, this guy can disconnect mistakenly, which would cause that problem, which is the vehicle not revving. So maybe if you check, and the first one here, you can see that we have a first sensor over here, this guy here. If you check and it's connected, that means you have to move to the next, because at one VTEC solenoid we have two connectors that came out from it. So we have this over here. Okay, in some case it might be that this guy has pulled off. Okay, if it's not properly connected, like for instance, you can see that the connector is bad. Okay, so there could be a gallop that you would enter and it might pull off. Okay, so if it pulls off, it will cause the problem. So what you should do is to check if they are properly connected. Okay, like as of this guy, it's not well connected. That was what I found. So I just gonna push down very well. Okay, and make sure that this one that they connected like this is well tight also. And after you are done reconnecting the VTEC sensor, that is maybe if it was put out, you should now go and start the vehicle. So you can see the simple fix to this very limp mode that this vehicle is facing right now. So maybe after you've done this and the problem persists, so this is what you must do. Just come over to the VTEC solenoid, which is this guy over here. Okay, and you lose it out. Just losing out, and you service with any of the injector cleaner available, and then you install back. And maybe eventually that you do the same and problem still persists. So what you must do is to just replace the VTEC solenoid and the problem will be solved. And one last thing before we come to an end of the video, I'm gonna show you one simple trick you would love. In as much as it is the VTEC solenoid, the RPM would hardly go more than 2. It will just be between 2 and 3. So if you find out that it's not accelerating more than 2, like it's just between 2 and 3, that means it is the VTEC solenoid. Okay, and if it's not going more than 3000 RPM, that means it is the MAF sensor. So guys, if this solved the problem you've been fixing on your limp mode, do well to comment solved. Let me see how many people this content helped. Okay, and also if it resonated with the kind of content you would love to be getting from the Diagnostic guy, do well to subscribe also to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Diagnostic guy.